This is my 2005 Mustang GT here. I got it about, let's say about 3 weeks ago. Got it from a guy who lived in North Carolina. So I just want to give you a little walk around and introduce it to the channel. And it's already got some miles on it, so I'll tell you about them. So here we go. All right, so under the hood, it's just got some basic bolt-ons. It's got a JLT intake. I'm not sure which type it is, but it seems to be working fine. Somebody replaced the throttle body on it. It's also got some long tube headers. It's also got off-road H-pipe and a catback. I'm not sure what the catback is, but it sounds pretty good. Up front, as you can see, they swapped out the regular reflector headlights for some halogen lights. And I believe this is the California Special bumper. I'm not totally sure. I'm not too familiar with the s197s, but I think it is. So the fog lights are right here instead of on the grill. And I think that looks much, much better. And it's got all LED lights and stuff like that, so it's nice and bright. But because they're projected, they don't blind anybody. All right, if you walk to the side, you see it's already pretty low. It's got some stock GT 500 wheels on there. The clear coat's starting to peel, but it's not too bad. It looked good from afar, but I'll probably get some new wheels. It's pretty low. Come a little closer. It's pretty low. It's got coilovers on. They're race lane coilovers. And they look really good, but to be honest, they don't ride that great. But it came with the car, so I'm happy with it. But the fitment's pretty good, but it's low, but not too low where I can't get over speed bumps. So coming around to the back, as you can see, it's got this carbon fiber spoiler on the back, which I really, really like. I think it looks beautiful. That came with the car as well as some Raxium taillights in the back. And let me cut them on for you real quick. Yeah, so those look really good on there. And they're also sequential. Here, let me show you real quick. Yep, so they're sequential too. And also he did these side markers on here to be LED as well. So that's about it for the exterior. It's pretty simple, but it works really well. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. So the inside of this car is pretty mint, actually. The leather seats are nice. They don't have any cracking in them, as you can see. The interior, this is not a premium one, so it doesn't have the like the oil pressure and battery voltage gauge, but those are kind of like dummy lights anyway, but it still works great. The sound system is Apple CarPlay and also Android Auto. It's pretty nice as well. Let me turn it on for you so you can see. So while that's loading up, I'll show you in a second, but we also got an MGW short throw shifter on here, and it's very short, but the shifts are very crisp, and you have no doubt what gear you're in. We got the touchscreen display, and we just got some basic controls right here. Nothing too fancy, but that's the way I like it. I like it just good old-fashioned gauges. Just got the standard buttons in here. Again, this is not the premium model, so we just got standard everything, but that's good because less stuff to break. And I installed a dash cam up here just because I do it on all the cars I own. All right, so that's pretty much it. I basically have just done basic maintenance to the car so far. I did an oil change and also changed up the thermostat just to say I did. And the car's been running really well. Oh, one other thing it does have a 93 octane tune by Lido, which is very good. The thing pulls very hard. I was surprised because compared to the 2-valve, I have the 2-valve with the exact same mods on it. And this pulls way hard. Of course, it's not the same car, but it's crazy the difference. It also has 373 gears in the back, so that helps much better with the takeoff from the line. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna start up the car so you can hear the exhaust, and continue watching the channel. We'll be doing some more stuff with this car. Probably gonna make a POV driving video of it, and also some exterior shots of just like exhaust clips and things like that. So stay tuned.